Okay, now we're going to be learning how to post a journal entry or a reoccurring journal entry. First things first, we're going to go to Portfolio, Communities. You're going to go into the community you wish to create the journal entry for. So in this case, we're going to be working in the sample community. You're going to go under General Ledger, and the second tab down, we're going to click on GL, Journal Entries. Now, once you click on this tab, it will show you a preview of what have been done accounting-wise within the community, whether it was a bank transfer or you already did your bank reconciliation. It will have all that information listed here. If there are any automatic or recurring entries, they'll be listed on the right-hand side, and the number of entries that you have that are reoccurring. So in this community, we have 2. If you wish to create a new journal entry, you'll go to Actions, New Journal Entry. You're gonna enter your post date, so you could do it the beginning of the month, the ending of the month, your choice. I prefer to do the ending of the month. You could click on reverse this entry next period. Once you click on this button, what this does is it gives you a date in which you like to reverse the entry. So we're posting this as of July 30th. So if I want this to be reversed while I'm closing August, I will just put my August end date here. But in this case, we're not reversing anything. We're making the change and would like it to stay. In the reference, you'll just normally put journal entry, that's the abbreviation, and the initial of the person that is making the journal entry. In the description, you're going to put what exactly the journal entry is for. So we could do insurance correction. Once you do that, you're going to enter the line item that you would like to take the funds from and where you'd like to credit it. So you're going to enter both your debit and your credit. So in this case, we're going to be taking $10 from the other income. We're going to be debiting. And then now we're going to be adding it to the retained earnings. And if you see, it automatically does the opposite of what was completed in my first line item. So I did debit at the top, so automatically it populated this as a credit. Now, something that I did not mention under the scheduling feature, it does have the option to where you can make this a one-time transaction. You could schedule, accrue, and notify. What this does is it will generate the general ledger for you. Unfortunately, it won't post it. Reason being, it wants to notify you that everything's okay, so that you could review and then post. You will get that notification here by the bell. You also have the option to select the automatic feature, where automatically it will generate the posting for you and post it on that specific date you requested. Now, before moving further, you have to click on the plus sign. This gives you another tab to proceed with another journal entry. Unfortunately, you will not be able to hit post if you do not click on that sign. Even though you don't have another debit or credit to enter, you have to do that in order to click post. So everything's good. Now we're going to go ahead and move along. We're going to do post. And now, as you see, we have our final journal entry. You see here, 7:30. It was created by James, the GL number, and the amount and what it was for. And that's how we do a journal entry.